In this chart, automatically you will get calls like a signal. Right now sell call, so red color candle open. Like this, whenever the trend changes, you will get calls like a signal in this chart, like entry point, target and stop loss. Through this entry, you can do manual trading as well as auto trading, both are possible. Today we are watching, it's July 8th market, Monday market, we are watching in Bank Nifty 1 minute chart. In this 1 minute chart, the sell call came at 52,585. Can you see that straight white line from red candle? That is our entry point line. Below lines are first target, second target line, above line is the stop loss line. So daily this chart will analyze the 1 minute chart like a 1 minute candle. According to a breakout, if a breakout happen, immediately it will give the calls like a signal. Right now a downside breakout happened, sell call generator, red color candle open. The sell call came at 52,585. So the entry point is 585, first target is 453, 130 point first target range, second target is double of the first target. So it's more than a 200 point second target. After 30 minutes, after a up and down volatile, it successfully break out the first target range, a big down in a single candle, a big momentum. Through this it successfully break out the first target. Like this, sell call generated and break out the target. If you want to subscribe for the chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Thank you.